This is an unboxing video of the Rode PSA1 Plus Professional Studio Arm. So this thing is so big I had to change the way I have the camera here, and I didn't expect this to be that large, but I hope it's very solid. And the PSA Professional 1 Plus Studio Arm, easy positioning and parallel movement, low noise operation, that should be interesting, and clamp or desk insert. That's nice, so you can insert it into a desk when you have those holes. Some desks have those. My desk doesn't have that, so it's not gonna work like that. On this side there is no seal, so that's gonna be interesting. I hope it's not opened or used or anything. I didn't see that it was used. And there is some information here, but quality control pass, a sticker, that's nice. And this here is not opened. The Rode PSA1 Plus is a professional studio arm for mounting microphones. I hope for heavy microphones also. Okay, it moves around and it can move in different ways. Horizontal reach, I'm not sure about these numbers. I have to see it for myself. So yeah, I have the microphone range from 94 grams, something very light, to 1.2 kilos. I have the Rode NT1 with the shock mount, so I hope 1.2 kilos is okay. For desk thickness, the desk clamp should be between 18 to 55 millimeter. So you get the arm, you get the desk clamp, the desk insert, which I will probably not use. I don't have it, so. And also this is important, the thread adapter for microphones, designed in Australia, made in China, for sure. So let's see. I hope I can open it without any problems. Okay, so this, I'll open it from this side. Should be a insert box, something. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, so when I try to open it, it will not open because this seal, that's why it's working, so it is sealed. Okay, so let's cut the seal. Okay. Yeah, so there's one box inside another box. It's just a cover, size for the more fancy print, but this is the more professional style where there's not much colors. It's just useful information, minimum, and basically the same thing. You get the same information on both sides, and this is the same. The only part that's covered is the size here. Smells like fresh print, so it should be pretty fresh. I didn't check the date. I don't think there's a date here. I'm sure 2027, we're in 2026, but it's something else here. Okay. Let's open it up. Hope this thing doesn't jump in my face now. Okay. I get some cardboard insert. There's nothing in this thing. And now this is the sensitive part. So first there is this desk adapter. This is really heavy. Wow, this is so heavy. Interesting. It's so heavy, really. It's like, so it even has the golden Rode dot here. Maybe I could use it for something. I will keep it, because maybe if I change the desk, I could use this. And this is the thing I will actually use on. Wow, this is super solid. Okay. Don't know how to remove this thing. Okay. Okay, I guess like that. Okay, so this is the desk insert, and you will tighten this to the desk, and it has a nice Rode branding there. And this is the most important part, because the existing thing I have, it's really not even close to this. So you open it, this thing's opening, and I like that it's kind of a rubberized thing, and here also rubber, so it's not gonna slide much. This is very good. Okay, and now this is the important part. To take this, I'll try to look at the manual first. Quick start guide. Okay, so spring loaded. When you open it, you have to be careful when you open it. Insert it onto the desk. Put the arm on the desk mount. I don't know, this is something with the desk. I don't know this part, why they draw it like this. You can make a hole for this thing. Yeah. I don't know if I'll do that. But if you want to do that, you can do that. This is another option. And some feedback information. Okay, so that's how you install that part. You open it. It has multiple parts, and then you can insert it. Oh wow, so that's pretty nice. So you open it like this. This is probably the best option here. So you open it, insert it into the desk. It has a nice rubber fit. It goes onto the desk, and this clamps the desk from here inside, so it gets really nice and a nice cover area. And this is where the microphone arm goes in, so this is super solid. I'm gonna close it. Maybe I will use this because it's really nice. Okay, so whichever system you use, you insert the microphone arm, and you can also use the cable organizers to route the cable, and that's all. Okay, so this is the actual microphone. And it has some kind of warnings. And caution, careful with this, it's spring loaded, open with care. Okay, so there is some kind of foam insert here. I don't know, I guess for scratches, but this is a nice foamy material. And then also this part, yeah, and then another foamy material here. This is really solid. Okay, so the way you install this, you take it out from this paper. There is this dot everywhere here. I'll open the arm when I'm ready to install it, because I don't want it to open it too much. And yeah, this is what you find in the Rode PSA1 Plus kit. The microphone, it's very solid. It's nowhere near the one I had before. I had one of those cheap ones. Thanks for watching.